my Rocky. He looks tough, but he's actually pretty sensitive. Sensitive to what he eats. So we just went back to basics. Blue Basics.
Blue Basics is a nutritionally complete, limited ingredient formula for dogs with food sensitivities. It's made with turkey or salmon first. Protein's not common in dog foods. And there's no corn, wheat, dairy, soy, or eggs.
With Blue Basics, Rocky's back to being my big tough guy.
If your dog or cat has food sensitivities, it's time to get back to basics.
This new outlet, a fabulous foundation. It's a perfect concealer and foundation in one for all-day flawless skin. New Outlast Big Darkness from easy, breezy, beautiful CoverGirl.
This is Connor. Like so many kids, he was missing things in school. Distracted, disengaged, just missed getting it. We tried tutors, but they didn't connect. Then we heard about Sylvan's new teaching system, Sylvan Sync. Personal lessons taught by Sylvan certified instructors using technology kids love. I've never seen him more engaged. And with Sylvan Sync, I can check his progress online at my Sylvan every step of the way. So I always know what's going on. Learning should be personal. At Sylvan, it is. Call 1-800-EDUCATE. Sylvan Sync.
The new Now That's What I Call Music 45. All the hits on one album for a great price. Now 45 is available now. Or buy today at nowthat'smusic.com.
It's not every day when it's a Merry Maid's Day. I mean, nice work. Call Merry Maid, then relax. It's done.
Pop quiz. What's able to deliver free HD, faster internet, and unlimited home phone, all working together? The phone company's old-fashioned copper wires? Satellite's flimsy dish? Or